Now we pair the indoor chime with the doorbell camera. Before you pair, please set up the doorbell camera in AI Wait app first. The indoor chime uses USB input, so you can plug it in USB outlet, or you can use a USB adapter. There's only one button on the chime, the pair button. When you press it, it will flash blue. You need to ring the doorbell while the chime is flashing blue. Now they are paired successfully. Let's ring the doorbell once again, see if the chime will ring along. Now we set up the video doorbell in AI Wait app. Open the app. Log in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, please sign up first. Log in. Enter your account and password. Log in. Add device. Choose video doorbell. Choose our model. If your doorbell is not flashing red yet, please press and hold this doorbell button.
Entering pairing mode.
It will say entering pairing mode and will flash red at the same time. Tap yes. At this page, we can set up the device name and enter the Wi-Fi name and password. You may need to enter the Wi-Fi name and password manually at the first time, and please note the device supports only 2.4G Wi-Fi. Next. Double-check the Wi-Fi name and password and make sure it is correct. Confirm. It will show the QR code. Please use the doorbell camera to scan this QR code.
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration successful.
Registration successful. Confirm. Then device is set up successfully. After setting up the device, you can tap this photo area anytime to get into live view, and all of your events will be saved here in playback. You can choose the dates to see videos on different day. Then it comes to settings. This page lists the basic settings of your device, and here it shows the cloud storage service plan you got for your device. Here is the motion detection settings. You can adjust the motion sensitivity and set up the humanoid detection. Humanoid detection means that if you turn it on, it will detect only the human movements. And here is the ring alerts and the motion alerts. It's about notifications. Please remember to save your selections before you leave this page. Then it comes to share. You can share the device to your family so that they can see and get notifications of the device too. You can share to 8 other accounts. Here is share by QR code scanning. And this is share by email. Just enter the EIWait account of another user. Tap confirm, then the device will be shared. This area is device ownership. You can transfer the ownership of the device to another account. The ownership is important because only the owner account can share the device, adjust the settings, and delete the videos. The shared accounts don't have these options.